Welcome to the channel. Please like and subscribe and select the notification. And what do I'm doing today? I'm gonna make some quesadillas. But how I'm gonna make it quesadillas? You know, I could do it on the grill, I could do it on any type of object, but I'm gonna do this on a product I just purchased. And I'm gonna show you to this product right now. What I have right now is a NuWave Brio 14 QT air fryer. It actually is a air fryer, a rotisserie unit. So for me to do the quesadillas, I'm gonna put it in 3, and that's it. But and I gotta preheat this. I'm gonna actually, what I'm gonna do is start the timer right now. So I'm gonna hit preheat. Hit start. Preheat. And when I set this, set for 25 minutes. Hit the hit timer. Hit start. Okay, it's already preset for 15 minutes. Sorry for the background noise of the NuWave air fryer. So I have right here, these are yesterday's Angus steak. I cooked yesterday for dinner, and these are just leftovers. It was a big steak. Now I'm gonna use tomatoes and some onions, and that's probably that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna saute this. It's warming up. As a part, I'm gonna use this non-sticking frying pan, and use this basin oil. I'm gonna shake it up because I'm not gonna use a lot of oil. That should be enough. Cook the onions. I gotta soften the onions because I don't want to put in the quesadillas with raw onions. The beef I cooked last night is I did real good. I gotta make a video on that. What I'm gonna do, I'm just warming it up because the meat is real cold. And turn on the other side. The unit is just preheated, so I'm gonna let it sit there for a minute. So the tomatoes is gonna be done. And that's it. I'm not going to cook the tomatoes too long because I don't want to overcook it. Little cheese here. Oh yeah, this is going to make it real nice. I like this type of cheese. Ooh. Last thing, and then that's the quesadillas. Be careful not to burn my hand. Oh yeah, it's perfect. That's perfect. It's still hot. So hold on, let me stop. This is a problem here. What I've done. The convection oven is pulled things up. So the pad was hitting the heat element, which is kind of crazy. I'm glad you watched the entire video. I do appreciate it. This is my first time. This is actually my second time using the NuWave air fryer unit, and this is how it turns out. I'll just put this aside. I gotta look directly to the camera. Also, the reason why I say it's my second time, the first time I did it was with chicken, and the audio was terrible, and plus I was hooking this camera up to my TV. Actually, my Sony Brio TV, have it since 2012, and I recently upgraded I changed the box. I got a Verizon Fios 1, and it was some reason was causing a background noise. And I'm gonna get to the main part. How does this thing look? I'm gonna give you a close look. Yeah, man, this is real close. And see how it tastes. That quesadillas. Oh. Okay. All right. Since she want a piece, better get the cheese out. Here you go, Patchy. There you go. See this? So how she react to it? See? She don't like. Not bad. Yeah, she's trying to eat it. I don't know. Oh, this is fine. This can is a C-gram spike rum. Actually, no, it's a spike. I don't know. It's a spike. It's one of those wine coolers. It got 8% alcohol, but the taste, is not that great. I'll be honest with you. The taste is not that great. It's really not agreeing with my system. I mean, it's okay, but if you mix it with something else with it, so that's why I'm see how it tastes out. Let me see how it tastes with. This is iced tea. There's regular Kool-Aid iced tea. It's not bad. It's not bad. Yeah, it's not great with iced tea either. I don't know how this thing would mix with. But hey. It tells me right there she probably like hamburgers. You know, I could give her a piece of hamburger, she'd eat it. Salmon, eat it. Chicken, eat it. Beef? Nah, she ain't gonna eat it. She ain't touching it. Nope. Nope. That's why I can't feed her with canned food with beef. She nibbles at it and then she don't eat it. Period. And it's like, nope, I'm not touching that, I'm done. So basically, finding the right food for her is really finicky. All I know that she could eat turkey, tuna, and salmon, and chicken. She don't eat shrimp. She hates shrimp. She will not touch shrimp. You know, she hates shrimp. Period. Well. Well. Oh man, I'm a mess. I'm not gonna eat all this. I'm gonna save some. I'm gonna eat as much as I can, but I'm gonna save some for later because this is a lot. This is a lot. You know, come from a big steak. Come from a big Angus steak. And man, that was a lot of steak. Well, as you can see right here, I didn't do a good job. It was my first time too, so I don't know how I do it. But if people criticize me, hey man, it was my first time, and I didn't do it on the pan, which I should have done, or a grill. I did it on the air fryer, and you saw the result. The air fryer sucks up. I put on the what they recommend. I followed the instruction. I put it on the tray where they say it's gonna do the best, but I didn't know the fan was pulling up and it was hitting the element. I mean, actually hitting the heating element. I had to turn it off, put it back on the bottom, raise the temperature up a little bit, put it at a longer period of time, and put a tray over it to keep it from flying up. But anyway, this is pretty good quesadillas I made. My first time ever. This will last me till tomorrow too. Cause I'm not gonna eat all of this. This is a lot. This is my first time eating quesadillas. Actually, this is my first time making quesadillas. This is actually my first. I should have done it on a saucepan and that'd be it. But I want to try it on the air fryer because I saw the directions. So okay, let me try it on the air fryer. And air fryer then, hey, it was a shock to me when the fan element was pushing up the soft taco to the heat element, almost burned it, and I had to turn it off. And I was shocked, like, whoa, what's going on? So, you know, lesson learned. You know, learn from something. You keep an eye on it. You see something happens, you modify and adjust it accordingly in how you make it work. But anyway, this is the end of the video. I'm not gonna eat all of this because this is a lot. I mean, actually, no, this is a lot of quesadillas right now. And despite well, it's the way it is. Anyway, see you next time. Stay safe. You know, I want you to do this. Stay positive and stay safe, and we will get through this. See you next time. Bye. Damn. Sucks. Next time.